come with me for part 2 of Funko and figure finding. We started it off in Forbidden Planet, where I found these Bitty Pop display cases. I don't have any Bitties, but if you do, this would be a perfect pickup. These were the main Funkos in Forbidden Planet today. I didn't think any of them were worth picking up, and there were no chases in the glass. However, we made our way down to Worlds Apart, which we pick our first chase up of the series. We also see this Akaza, Doma, and Shinobu figure, and I had visions on where to put them in my set, but I didn't end up grabbing any of them. I did grab this Sanji limited pieces and this 5 mystery Funkos, which we will unbox in later on in this video. There was this Midoriya and Toga figure, which I didn't know how wasn't picked up because they were super cool. These were the clearance section in Mankind, and to be honest, there were some good Funkos there, but I just had them anyway, that's why I didn't pick them up. These were the ones that weren't on clearance, and I was very close to picking up this Hawks and Eren Yeager for my sets. This was meant to be a live reaction of what I have thought of these, but the file's corrupted, so now I'm going to have to voice this over because I didn't want to voice it over. But here's the Sanji. I was really made up when I found this and I picked it up, because to find a limited pieces Funko was hard anyway, and for it to be a one-piece Sanji figure, I thought the fans would have well picked this one up. And the same with this other One Piece. I haven't actually watched it, so I don't know an awful lot about this show or the characters, but I know Sanji and I know he's a fan favourite, so that's why I just couldn't leave it behind, and I never leave chases behind anyway, just in case. So this is actually quite a good one to pick up. I'm going to show you where I put these Funkos. I've got a chase stand here, which they don't actually go with any of the sets, that's why they're just left over there. And I left a space in my limited pieces display because I knew I was going to pick another one up. So Sanji fits that one quite nice. I'm not really mad about Sanji being the last